Now, let's take a look at the unit after the head. This is the boy, which is the head. We have some other words coming before the boy. We don't need them now. Then when I say in the room, we still have other things coming after that. So the point I'm making now is that this is our qualifier. I will say that it is a prepositional phrase. Now, if you remove that, what makes it a prepositional phrase, as we will see later when we look at prepositional phrase, is this preposition in. But after the preposition in, what you have is another relatively simple noun phrase, which is the room, that has an n and an ish. So that is the point. So you want to take, so within a noun phrase, you can have another noun phrase. You can strong, in fact, you can have as many as 3, 4. It's just that the sentence or the subject may become clumsy and unnecessarily cumbersome. That is all. If not, you can begin to string them together and you have a chain of phrases embedded in one another. That is the point. So that is for example 3. We'll look at example 4. Example 4, where we can have a post modifier of a noun phrase that is not a prepositional phrase. So I can say the boy writing a letter is my friend. In this case, our noun phrase is this. From here, this is our verb, and this time it's a complement. Okay? It's still many of the other ones have been given will have complement, except here, which will become an adverb or adjunct. All right. So we have this. We have this. Now, the interesting thing is that we have a modifier. We have a head, and then after that, the qualifier is a participial phrase. We'll be seeing participial phrases in detail. We won't talk so much about them, but just pointing them out to you how we can work other things into a noun phrase. That's the point. So we'll have example 4 with the head of the noun phrase being post-modified or qualified with a participial phrase. Then we cannot talk of number 5. Number 5, example 5, will be the boy who did the work has been paid. Now, our subject is this. Has been paid will be a verb, or a verb phrase. It seems I didn't mention the verb phrase when I was looking at the types of phrases, because it's unique in its way, but we will briefly look at that later. So we have SV in this structure. So what do we have? We have M, head. We said the entire structure is the subject, so we'll take it up a bit. After the head, what you have is actually a relative clause. A relative clause is the same thing as an adjectival clause. So that becomes what comes after the head. So, but from the to work, it's a noun phrase. It's a noun phrase. Now, you want to take note of something.